Hello Lux family, it's Jay. It's 2020 and what can go really wrong after all this happened? The fact that I was allowed to adventure back into the Louis Vuitton store and spend all of my coin. If you want to see how Louis Vuitton took all of my cash money, then stay tuned. Watch me unbox my lovely Damier canvas messenger bag. Like always, I made my way into the Louis Vuitton store. I was greeted with a big smile. Hello, let me help you spend your money. Me being me, I walked my way down to the men's section like someone was throwing rose petals in front of me and proceeded to buy, of course, this beautiful item that I'm here today to unbox for the Lux family. I've actually been looking at this item for quite some time now. I've literally really enjoyed these sort of items, but I've never took the plunge and actually bought something. Yes, I'm here today to show the Lux family what I've got. Now I'm back to work, I feel like this is a great item that I can actually use on an everyday basis. Obviously not over the top like usual. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and all the good stuff. Let's just get straight into the unboxing. It came in this lovely orange bag, of course, the famous orange bag that we all know of and to actually really love. So let's just get opening this because that's what we're all here for today. Here we have it, the orange box. That is so lovely. Now I didn't ask for it to be gift wrapped or, you know, all the ribbon and etc on it because I'm just going to come home and open it up, so I couldn't really be bothered about that. Here we have the receipt that come with it and the lovely bag, of course. Now, I haven't really had a chance to look at this properly apart from when I was in the shop trying it on. There was a few actually prints that I wanted to have a look at. It was the Damiographic one, the Monogram one they have, and I feel like they have now a new one, but they didn't have that in stock in the new Bond Street Louis Vuitton shop. Let's get opening it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I usually don't tend to go for Damier, but look how beautiful this is. This is the District GM and boy is it beautiful. Like always, I'm going to give you a 360 of this bag quickly. I'm not going to give an in-depth review. I will give that in a separate video and I'm sure that will be here for you lot soon. I just literally can't get over it. I've always feel like in store you don't get to really appreciate how beautiful the item is until you get it home and you're like, wow, got it in my hands, got it in my own home and really can enjoy the item. I'm sure you lot are like that as well. If not, then I'm just crazy. Of course, over here is the lovely Damiographic canvas. Then you got two little metal buttons. They're not buttons, I think they're clamp shut, like a magnetic shut over here and then here. So that's something that's really good. It's easy access. You can just flip it open, grab your book and don't have to worry about clipping it shut. It'll just automatically do that for you. The inside, let me just get it properly sorted for you lot. The inside of it is a nice cotton material. The strap itself, now I know it's not detachable, which is a big, you know, if for me, but I just realized that, you know, just got to get over this stuff and it helps me spend less money on stupid things like an extra strap that's got Louis Vuitton written over it. Oh my god, it smells so fresh in here. This one is made in Spain. The inside is basically one big hole and then you got a divider just here, which is nice. It is all cotton inside, so I wouldn't say carry drinks in here, carry my snacks in here, because if it melts then there's gonna be a whole big issue, that's for sure. Got the tag as well, coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Okay, so that's really beautiful. The side is where it has the leather, then they've got the Louis Vuitton over here as well, and then the metal hooks here. And I mean at the back, usually I forget to show the back hasn't got a pocket in here. It would be nice if it did have a pocket. So yeah, I think that is it really. I'm gonna literally give the Lux family some mod shots as well of this item because come on, that's what I'm here for, to show you a true unboxing and give you lot, the Lux family, a nice mod shot of how it looks. I just wanted to say that this bag is actually a really nice piece just for a casual day out to work. It's not over the top and yeah, it's not that expensive. This one was 1,350 I believe. I'll put all the links in the description down below, but they do also have some ones that are a bit cheaper. It's definitely sleek. elegant, and you can wear it out and about. Now this is more for basically taking out to work. I wouldn't say I will take this out to a restaurant or anything like that. It's not too great to take to a restaurant because it's such a casually work related item. I do believe that there are 2 other items as well that are different sizes. With this one I have here for the Lux family today and unboxing in front of you lot, it basically comes in one size, and it's a great size if you're 6 foot, around, actually wait, 5 foot 10 to 6 foot. It's a great size. Anyway, enough of the blabbering on. If you're here for the mod shots, then stay tuned, because that's what we're here for, mod shots and snacks. I've got no snacks with me today. I ate them all, literally. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give this a big thumbs up and get liking. Like always, please, if you really loved the video and you want to see more of this content, then give it a big thumbs up. Get sharing, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and remember to stay safe. Peace.